Hello there, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm excited to show you guys how to cut and sew this sleeveless bustier with bust pads. I'll be making my own bust pads for this blouse and I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step process of making it. So don't skip out on any process so you don't miss out. Just relax and watch to the end. And also please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now firstly I'll fold and cut out my brown paper. Now this is my brown paper, this is my material, this is the foam I'll be using. It's a 1-inch foam and this is my lining. Now to begin, this is my paper already folded into two. So now I will mark out the blouse length, which is 13. After that, I'll be marking the bust length, which is 7. Now I'll be taking the bust point, which is 7 divided by 2. So I will fold my tape like this. When I fold my tape, I got 3.5. So this first line is my bust point, which is also the nipple point. This is my bust waistline and my bust length line. Now my bust width is 7 divided by 2 to give me 3.5. So this is 3.5 here. I'll mark the 3.5 at the bust point. Then 3.5 at the bust waist. Rule out my markings. So I'll now add 1.5 inches extra because of the foam that I'll be attaching to the bust. If you are using a ½ inch foam, mark a ½ inch extra, not 1.5. The extra you will add to the bust depends on the foam. So after marking out the 1.5 extra, rule out the line. After adding the extra, I got 5. So I will mark 5 at the blouse length, then rule now. Now come to the top and remove ½ inch like this. Then I will come here, it's already 1.5 inch. So mark this point. I'll curve out my shape like this. Then from the ½ inch point, I'll rule a curve to the bust point. I'll remove 1.5 at the down and connect it to the bust waist. So after cutting, this is the middle piece of the blouse bust. Now I'll be cutting the sides of the bust. After dividing my bust size measurement by 2, I got 9. Now place the middle piece on it, then cut to shape just like this. Keep the middle piece aside, then remove 1 inch from the top just like this. Now mark the blouse length, which is 7. Then remove 1 inch from the sides. Roll out your shape. Remove ½ inch from the down. Then roll. So this is the front of the blouse. Cut to shape. When you open up the sides and the middle piece, this is how it looks. This is how to place them. Now I'll keep the front of the blouse aside and work on the back. So I folded my brown paper into two. Then mark out 1 inch for the zip line. After marking, rule. Come down with 1 inch from the top. From the zip line, mark out 4 inches wide for the dark line. Divide the blouse length by 2 or fold your tape like this to mark out the middle point of the blouse, then roll. So this is the zip line now. From this point, I'll remove half inch, then roll to connect it like this. Cut out your shape like this. So when holding it out, the middle will be wide, then the top and down will be tiny. So this is the back and front piece of the blouse. Now I'll be making the bust pads with this foam. So my bust length is 7, but my foam length will be 6. Then the wideness of the foam is the same as the bust width, which is 7. So I'll fold my tape in 2, which is dividing 7 by 2, to get the middle point of the foam, which is 3.5. So I'll mark and roll out the middle point of the foam. After doing that, I'll remove half inch from the top. Then remove 1 inches from the down. Then I'll mark out my shape like this. Let's just mark out the middle point of the foam, which is 3. 6 divided by 2 to get 3. Cut out your shape. Now remove 1 inch from each sides of the foam. Then connect it like this through the middle point. After doing that, cut out your shape just like this. So when you place it on the middle piece, you will see the 1 inch extra at the top. Now place them on the foam and trace their exact shape to mark out the extra 2. So I'm marking them so I don't get confused when I'm sewing. Now after marking, cut out your shape now. I'm going to trim out the edges of all the foam. Then after trimming, place them together, then cut to curve the foam just like this. After curving, this is the shape you'll get. Now I'll place my brown paper on my fabric like this to cut the exact shape. So I'll leave ½ inch extra at the top and down of the blouse. Now I'm cutting out the sides of the blouse. This is how it looks. So cut out the back piece of the blouse. Notch out your zip line. So when you open it up, this is how it looks. This is the zip line. So I'm going to just sew my dart line instead of cutting it out. Now keep it aside, let's work on the breast cup. So I cut my lining for each foam and added ½ inch extra all round. Also, I already cut the lining for the blouse. Now I'm going to sew around each of the foam. Done sewing, this is how it looks. Now place them on the lining like this. Pin them so you don't mix them up. Then sew them on the lining. So I'm done sewing the foam on the lining now. This is how it looks. Now I'll be joining the 3 front pieces together just like this. So after joining them, this is how it looks. Now I'll be joining the 3 front pieces of the main material. After joining, place it on the lining just like this. Then sew the top and sew the down. After sewing the top and down, turn to the front. So this is the back of the blouse and this is the front. Now sew the zip line, the top and sew the down. Sew these 3 edges of the back. Turn to the front. Place like this, then sew the zip line. After that, mark the dart line by taking 4 from the zip line for each side. After marking, rule out your shape. Then hold your dart line just like we marked on the brown paper. So I'm done sewing the dart line. Place them together and sew the sides with my proper body measurements. So guys, I'm done sewing the sides. This is how the breast cup looks like. So I'll attach my zip, and that is how to make this sleeveless bustier blouse with bust pads. Thanks for watching to this point. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share the video. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.